Bills, more bills. Plus I have to transfer money. I have to pay my salik. And I still have to pay my domestic helper. I need a coffee. And there's no milk for coffee. Oh, can someone help me on this juggle? Of course, my friend. Have you not heard of the Payit mobile app? Download it and see your life change completely. Android users can download it from Google Play stores. iOS users can download it from the App Store. Huawei users can download it from App Gallery. Open your Payit mobile app and select individual. You'll be directed to scan your Emirates ID. Post that, you'll be prompted to take a video selfie of your face. Once this is done, wait for confirmation. You will be asked to fill in your information, which includes email ID and mobile number. You will receive a 6-digit OTP via SMS. Do not share this with anyone. Enter your 6-digit OTP number and you'll be prompted to create a 4-digit PIN. Once this is complete, you're registered. A welcome screen will appear on your Payit mobile app. There might be a case where your account is not verified, in which you have to click on the home screen, account not verified, and then follow the steps for a KYC verification. How did I not hear about the Payit mobile app? It has made my life so easy and convenient. Words cannot describe. Download Payit mobile app now, the digital wallet you need every day.